Hello Asa, today we are going to do a thing you shouldn't do, and I shouldn't do, but I'm doing it anyway, trying to fix my laptop. So we're looking at the back of a laptop, and here we have a screw, and you'll see that, well maybe you don't on camera, but I promise in person you can see as I screw it and unscrew it, the back plate here is moving up and down, meaning that the screw is somehow connected to it. And then I'll show you these screws here that do nothing and don't turn. They should turn. Okay, the full disclosure, they turn, but they don't move up or down. Basically, so what I think happened is this computer has that back plate and then it's got some sort of plastic standoff that the screws go through to connect the bottom plate to the computer itself. I think someone over tightened those screws when they made the computer, and that means that they broke the standoff and are no longer connected to this bottom plate. I think what that also did then is that removed a source of connection between the internals and the backboard, meaning that it put more strain on the clips that are all around the edges. Those clips have been slowly breaking in this computer, and it's been getting worse, and then that leads to deformation issues and issues with the USB ports and having clearance so I can use them. And I think that that's slowly been killing this computer. So I'm gonna try and pop it open one last time because I've already tried it like once. And if that doesn't work, I might resort to like hot gluing or epoxying the corners, which is the worst ending ever because I'm trying to keep this thing. All right, Asa, let's see if you can see back there. Not really. All right, Asa, I'm giving up on this sugar. So here, we're gonna have this thing stick up a little bit, and I want it to be flush like that. This side we get a little bit of the same problem, though less because it's still got some plastic in there holding it together. But the main thesis is that these edges have to become more structurally sound. An interesting problem, My first thought would have been have a metal bar replace where this once was a rubber pad and run it through, hold it in there. And that could help, but I don't think that's the correct solution. Not that there's a correct solution here. This side, pretty okay. It's still got stuff holding it in somewhat. This side is completely torn out. The screws aren't working. It's been a problem for long enough that I haven't gotten solved it, that the plastic is worn out. All right, Asa, Dad, and whatever crafty people we have out there now watching us. If anyone has any idea what to do with this thing, or like something I messed up with the screws that I might have missed, I would love some thoughts. My current thought is maybe getting like epoxy putty and just putting it in the corner and trying to seal it for good. And I hate that idea. All right, gang, because this feels like it's more to a lot of people than Asa. I was hoping to get a cool, fun ending there, but no such dice. If anyone has an idea of what I should be doing here, I would love to hear it. Anyway, Asa, thank you for following this madness, and well, I'll see you on Wednesday. For Thanksgiving, even.